Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Wax Warmer, Femiro Hair Removal Home Waxing Kit with 4 flavors: Stripless Hard Wax Beans 14.1 ounces, 20 wax applicator sticks for full body, legs, face, eyebrows, bikini women, men, painless at home waxing. Instructions were easy to follow, though you can tell English isn't necessarily the first language with this. First of all, this requires too much heat to work, so you can burn yourself. The packs of wax beads all smell great, but the darker colors seem to work better for coarser hair, and lighter colors for finer hair. It takes practice to find the right temperature so that the wax doesn't burn your skin off. There is a little learning curve with this, but overall very happy with how this whole package works. The wax beads it came with smell great, and do a good job at sticking to the hair. This wax warmer set is such a great value. The warmer itself warms the wax quickly, but not so hot to the point that it burns your skin. Instructions were easy to follow, and truly be sure to have the skin pulled tight to help with removal. And at 7 eyebrow wax, you get your money's worth really quickly. The wax smells so nice, and depending on where you're waxing, you won't need any new supplies for a while. If you can pluck your own eyebrows, this is a cakewalk. It's supposed to be a once every couple weeks process. It has a good consistency at a lower temp, and doesn't need to be screaming hot to spread evenly. It takes a few minutes to heat up, but once it does, you are good to go. But this wax is relatively easy to get off of your skin even when it's dry. The warming tin has an attached plastic handle that folds up and down, and doesn't get hot, so you can remove the tin easily. It moves extremely easily instead of clicking into place at different notches, and it's also hard to tell exactly what temperature you're setting it at. The directions tell you to apply this to clean dry skin, wipe clear of oil. This kit is great. It comes with different waxes for different types of hair body parts. It melted the wax pretty quick, and turned off and on to keep the wax at a steady temp once it was fully melted, and cooled a little. It does sting a bit when you first rip the wax off, but the pain doesn't last long at all. Came in perfect condition, brand new, with everything that was described and shown in there. It does pull off the hair, and the stinging really depends on how thick and smooth you apply the wax to skin. The removal of the hair is quick, effective, and quite painless. This is an unbelievable unit for the price. Be careful waxing, it does get messy. This set also includes the sticks to put the wax on small ones and large ones. The wax melts quickly and spreads really smoothly, so you're not having to fight to get a thin film of wax coverage, and it doesn't clump up during application. For something that doesn't take a lot of space, it heats up a nice amount of wax. The warmer itself works great, and following the directions to get the wax melt etc. is easy and accurate. Prepare yourself for big mess. It creates with the little wax threads that get everywhere. The quantity of the wax is not enough for large areas like hands and legs. If you want a wax that doesn't stay on the warmer or get stringy, go get a wax done by a professional. The only compliant is it comes with several different waxes, but doesn't say what each is for. You can control the temp, so if you have heat sensitive skin you can have it cooler. The product is probably great for someone that knows what they're doing, but for me, heats quickly, the wax comes off clean, no strips, no mess, nice smell, and no skin damage. The warmer is smaller in size, so it's easy to store, and not too bulky. Perfect kit. Has everything included that you would need, and heats up way faster than others that I've tried. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.